Hi everyone, my name is Lee. Welcome to Sheet Leveler. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to calculate hours worked after a night shift, so when the time spans midnight. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to calculate working hours that span midnight, this is the video for you. Let's get started. In the last tutorial, we looked at how to calculate hours worked if the start work and the end work times are within the same day. We also calculated working time for each day from Monday to Friday. However, this method won't work if the working time spans midnight, like in the case of Friday. On Friday, the employee started work at 8 o'clock in the evening and finished at 7 o'clock in the morning. Since the working time spanned midnight, we need to use the if function to calculate hours correctly. Let's do this together. First, we need to remove the misfired attempt, and as usual, we'll type the equals sign in the cell that is supposed to show the result. To start, type I and double click on the if option once you see it in the options. You will then be prompted to enter the logical test. Once you've entered the logical test, you'll be prompted to enter the value for the true case and the false case. Enter the corresponding values for each, and Excel will return the result of the if function. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the if function in Excel to calculate time. I'll provide step-by-step instructions to help you understand how this function works. Additionally, I'll provide a video that goes into greater detail on the function and how to use it. I'll leave a link in the video description below. Let's get started. To begin, we will enter a logical test or condition in order to determine the value that Excel should use in the calculation. After the word if, we type out the condition, which is the start work time. The value in C7 is greater than the end work time, the value in D7. Enter a comma. We will then indicate what the value Excel should use if the condition is true by clicking on the cell with the end work time data and adding +1, which means that this time belongs to the next day. Enter a comma again, and we will then define the value for the situation in which the condition is false by clicking on cell D7. Excel will then treat this time data from cell D7 as is. So, this is how the formula is currently working. If the value in C7 is greater than the value in D7, Excel will use the value from the next day in D7. Otherwise, it will use the value from the same day in D7 as is. After that, we will close the brackets and subtract the start work time by using the minus sign, clicking on C7 and pressing enter. Excel has now calculated the working hours that span midnight. To confirm the formula works, we can drag the bottom right hand corner of that cell up through all the weekdays. If the times calculated previously did not change, this means the formula works even in cases where the hours worked did not span midnight. Are you having trouble adding up all the hours you've worked throughout the week? Sheet Leveler has a video tutorial that can help you. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to sum time in Excel, as well as get solutions to some of the common issues that arise when calculating your total hours. So if you're interested, check out that video and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more helpful Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, we'll see you soon in the next video.